In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your recent documents in Microsoft Word. This is a quick way to get back to files you've been working on without browsing through folders or searching your entire computer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what you're seeing on screen. Start by opening Microsoft Word. When Word launches, you might land on a start screen that shows templates and some quick options. That's perfectly fine. If you're already inside a document, you can follow along from there as well. The key is that Word is running, so we can get to its main menu. Next, look to the very top left corner of Word and click the File tab. This is the entry point to what's called the Backstage view, where you manage files and settings rather than typing or formatting. You'll notice the interface shifts from your document to a full-page menu with options on the left such as Home, New, Open, Info, and more. Don't worry, you haven't closed your document. You're just viewing Word's file management area. From that menu on the left, choose Recent. Depending on your version, it may appear as Recent or Recent Documents, and in some newer layouts, you might see a Recent section under Home. Either way, you're looking for the area that lists files you've opened lately. Once you select Recent, Word will display a list of your recently opened documents. This list is a history of your activity, showing file names, locations, and often the last opened date. It's especially helpful if you work across multiple folders or cloud locations because it gathers everything in one place. You can scroll to see more items, and the most recently accessed files will appear at the top. If you don't see something you expect, there are a few possibilities. The document might be older than what Word keeps in its recent history. It could be stored under a different account or location than you're currently using, or it may not have been opened on this device yet. Also, if you've just installed Word or cleared your recent list, this area might be empty until you open some files. That's all there is to it. Opening Word, going to the File tab, selecting Recent, and reviewing the list gives you a fast, dependable way to pick up where you left off. It's a simple habit that can save you time every day, especially if you juggle multiple documents. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working more efficiently in Microsoft Word.